This is the video sound and blending guide for we can refer to this one as the mouth sound. Of course, all the sounds use the mouth, but because this one is a closed mouth, this is a good way for 3 and 4-year-old kids to think about the sound. It's relatively easy for them to form, so I don't think you'll have too many problems with guiding them to form that correctly. In terms of its blending, it's also relatively easy to blend. It can blend conventionally. By that I mean you can have a slow transition out of the consonant and into the vowel. So we can have ma, mo, me, mi, ma. And it should be one of the easiest consonants for the students to blend. So I doubt you'll have too many problems.